second trimester, 14 weeks to 27 weeks, marks a turning point for the mother and the baby. Quite commonly, the mum-to-be begins to feel better and enjoys flaunting her baby bump. Hence, this is also known as the golden period of pregnancy. The baby has now developed all its organs and systems and will now begin growing in length and weight. Hence, in addition to the iron and protein that mum has already been taking, calcium, vitamin D, and magnesium become especially important. Let's learn why iron continues to be important. It helps to carry oxygen around the body and now to the baby. If one's diet is lacking in iron, it could cause anemia, which increases the risk of complications such as premature birth and postpartum depression. The recommended daily intake for iron is 27 milligrams, and the best sources are green vegetables, nuts and beans. Here is a tip for better iron absorption. Boost absorption rates by eating foods that contain vitamin C at the same time. Some good sources of vitamin C are oranges, orange juice, strawberries and tomatoes. It is important to note that iron-containing foods and calcium-rich foods or supplements should not be had at the same time since calcium reduces iron absorption. Pregnant women need to avoid the urge for caffeine. How about getting creative with beverages? Making a soothing herbal tea or a barley-infused drink? In this trimester, pregnant women should aim for protein consumption of 1.52 grams per kilogram of body weight each day to help the baby's brain and other tissue grow. It is also necessary for the growth of the uterus and the breasts. The daily need for calcium during pregnancy is 1000 milligrams. Calcium helps the baby's bones and teeth form. It plays a role in the smooth running of the muscles, nerves, and circulatory system. Calcium-rich foods include dairy, almonds, and grain. Vitamin D helps build the developing baby's bones and teeth. The recommended intake during pregnancy is 600 IU a day. The body can make vitamin D from the sun, so pregnant women need a daily early morning walk in the rising sun. Both mother and baby benefit from omega-3 fats in the diet. These essential fatty acids support the heart, brain, eyes, immune system, and central nervous system. Omega-3 helps prevent early delivery, lowers the risk of developing preeclampsia, and decreases the likelihood of postpartum depression. A food choice that mothers will really enjoy is dark chocolate. It contains magnesium, potassium, iron, and some calcium. Did I hear you say yummy?